running, fuck the game, missionary. Wanna fuck with my crew, call the military. No running shit, yeah, haters looking scary. Watch me line up you rappers that I gotta bury. Man, I run with my dogs like a pack of pits. You a victim of my game, just a pacifist. Man, I make a bitch scream like the exorcist. You up under my game like a pair of Timbs. Only gonna say it once so you understand it. Love money touching down, taking over planets. Baby, when it comes to hoes, money be the magnet. The rap game got more bitches in a beauty pageant. So I'ma keep it real for my people, hear me. Got 10 bitches on the phone and they wanna feel me. Got 10 haters on the phone and they all tripping, cause they bitches wanna know how your boy living. I'ma tell you what it is, I'ma tell you what it ain't. Haters trying to stop the flow, but they really can't. When it comes to your haters, man, I have no remorse. Like a drug through your veins, just let me take my course. I'ma run through your haters like a damn finish line. You better back off, cause you know this flow is mine. Dedicated to my haters every time that I do it. Every time I'm on a mic, man, I spit poison fluid. Got my feet in the street, my head to the ceiling. Watch me enter your veins like that boy penicillin, man. I'ma kill them all, I'ma bury them. I'ma fuck all these hoes, never marry them. Got this bitch wet like aquarium. Be the realest motherfucker in this millennium. Dictionary in my cranium, got these bitches craving them. Church on a Monday, ain't nobody saving them.
I know I'm underrated and underestimated. I know they plotting on me and it got me contemplating getting real agitated. The soul to be aggravated. Ahead in the game, prepare for decapitation, leave them bleeding, menstruation. Anyone can get it without any provocation till the hatred is diminished. Stick a fork in them, they done. It's a rap cancer Christmas. You know who it is and I'm letting you know they finished. It's awesome, motherfucker, ain't no need to get it twisted. Fresh is one of the many words that fits in my description. Stay getting that paper at any price, any cost. I keep it clean, me supreme, and flyer than albatross. Talking my song, my name must be dumber than you look. Try and run up on me, boy, and get your brain cooked or get your shit took. That's just how it is, better count your blessings, man. I almost split your wig. After this, if you still want beef, I feel that prescription leave you limping. Worse than a house on television. If your homies wanted to, I'm saying come and get it. And I ain't talking about barbecue, you gon' live to regret it. Yeah, I said it, I mean it, there's no need to repeat it. Might as well give up now and just admit you're defeated. You don't want none of this action, boy, shit'll get drastic. I'll make sure your DOA toe tagged and wrapped in plastic.